Hello guys, today we're going to be doing an unboxing of a new phone. Now I've already kind of opened up the box, but this is my new phone. The other phone I had got ran over by a bus and got cracked and destroyed, so I had to get a new one. Now this came from Boost Mobile. It is the TESSAN Galaxy A35 5G. It's 6.6 inch, full high definition, Super AMOLED display of 120 Hz refresh rate. It has a 50 megapixel wide, 8 megapixel ultra wide, 5 megapixel macro camera with a 13 megapixel selfie camera. It has 5,000 mAh battery. It's for 25 watts of fast charging. It has 6 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of storage, and it runs the Exynos 1380 processor. It is an optical processor. It has, well, actually there's two processors on the same die, one being 2.4 gigahertz and another being 2.4 gigahertz. So yeah, so today we're just gonna unbox it and yeah. Let's make sure it's decent. So unboxing it now, open it up the box. The box is pretty simplistic. It's nothing crazy, it's just, you know, it's fun. So I'm gonna take the phone out. Ooh, damn. This looks nice. Ooh, look at that, baby. Look at that puppy. See, that's new phone. See? Nice. You see if there's any stickers on here. Probably is. So we'll put them on the screen because, you know, I know a lot of people, they love the sound of the plastic getting removed. So we're gonna try that. Looks like an iPhone like 15. Literally, I'm not joking. Okay. Buttons right here. Okay. It's very nice. Yeah. Get a quick start guide. Got home condition. Over the codec, Wi-Fi, 5G, etc. Give it a micro USB-C cable. We got the I would assume some anti-water or anti-shock, not anti-shock, but anti-corrosive material side. So that's it for the unboxing. Now, coming for the installation. Now, this is not my main phone. This is the phone my dad had. He let me use it for a week. It's an iPhone XR. Again, I formatted it. Again, it says phone. But whatever. So, I'm going to take off the case and take off the SIM card that I have on this phone. And so, see what happens. That's what that is, SIM card. So, yeah. So let's go. Say hello here. Although iPhones have been doing that since 2017. Again.
Counting out the negative actions of one. Speakers of soul, so it's time to shout. Breathe forth the soul to a positive sun. Dance to these fits and flex every muscle. Space to your feet if you're right like a lump. Dance to the tune of love to the muscle. Shake you out the road to my magic number.
Be right there. Put the top of the phone. Now, time to boot that baby up. Let's lift this baby up. Start up.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip, and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? To fight, to die on, and this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name, and I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw.
Don't look at that. Okay. Now set up. Now they keep watching. Oh. Let's continue on. Right. Okay. So how it's gonna help in poverty? Okay. So what is he gonna do? So it's like Adam. So basically I watched ads and you're telling me that I can pretty much donate to the poor, and they can donate to starving children. Okay, well, that sounds weird. So, plenty of what we look honestly, like things from news, they want that app on your Netflix can be kept on your No Companion, Google, GameClub, Facebook, delete that, because that would be fake. LinkedIn, I don't use LinkedIn. Well, you can keep that on if I want to, but whatever. TV, okay, fine. What the hell? I just don't need apps on it. But not too much bloating on, honestly. Now, if I go to Play Store, I can see what apps are going to be installed. There you go, it's the name something.